Hi, um, so this is a brief walkthrough of my P3 project. So as you can see, we are going to p3.rhsu.me. And here on the landing page, I'm just giving a brief description about what Lorem Ipsum is and random users. I included a link about what's Lorem Ipsum, so if you click on it, you're taken to a page that describes a little bit about what is Lorem Ipsum, where it comes from, and why we use it. Um, then there are two buttons that link to the two tools. So if we click on Lorem Ipsum text, we're taken to the Lorem Ipsum tool, and we can specify how many paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum text we want. So I'm basically making the max at 88 because that's my lucky number, but that's beside the point. So if we wanted 4 paragraphs, we can type in 4, and we can click on Get Lorem Text, and that gives us 4 paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum text. So I also did some validation. So if we didn't include a number and we just clicked on Get Lorem Text, um, basically we would have a complaint that says the number field is required. And I also included a go back button, so if we click on it, we're taken back to the landing page. So now for the random users, if we click on random users, we're taken to a similar page for the random users tool. And similarly, we can enter a number for how many users we want to get and click on the get random users. We see that we have 4 different people. We can also include their addresses if we want. In this case, I entered 8. And finally, we can also do include phone number and include address. And finally, I did some validation here too. So if there's no use number that's entered, basically we have a validation message that says the user field is required. So if we go back by clicking here, that's pretty much it to the tool so far. I see a lot of ways to expand on this. Definitely, I think other tools can be basically allowing users to generate random dates, um, to generate basically other things like basically colors. That's another thing that I didn't have time to do, but those are great ideas to move forward.